how to install custom-fit seat covers for your 2024 Nissan Sentras. Recline your seat. To detach the headrest, press the button at the base and lift it off. Detach the flap located underneath the back of the front seat. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Insert the front straps through the seat crevice and pull them through until they appear at the back. Adjust the car seat to an upright position and slide it forward. Pull the straps tight after connecting them and adjust for a snug, secure fit. Remove the backing from the hook and loop straps that were passed through the crevice and attach them securely to the back of the backrest. To install the bottom cover, position it on your car seat, ensuring it aligns with the seat's contour. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you pass through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Then connect and securely tighten the straps under the seat.
Check the product description to see what other models are compatible.
Flip the bottom of the cover, unseal the backrest cover, and secure the hook and loop fastener to the back of the seat. Make sure to create an opening at the base of the headrest holder. Pull the side loop strap over the seatbelt holder on the side of your seat. Tuck in the soft bars on the sides of the seat cover into the seat crevice. Recline your seat. Reattach your headrests, then slide the headrest covers over them. Carefully slide the console cover over the center console until fully in place. To remove the rear bottom seat, lift up firmly on both sides until you hear a pop, then pull the seat out. Cover the bolster with the bolster cover, aligning it according to the shape of the bolster. Insert the bolster soft bar securely into the bolster crevice to hold the bolster cover in place. Peel off the hook and loop seal located on the side of the bolster, then press it firmly onto the side panel. Separate the 60 side backrest, then slide the 60 side backrest cover over it, aligning it with the contours. Open the hook and loop strap, then wrap and secure it to the back side of the backrest for a tight fit. Repeat this process for each of the hook and loop straps. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Separate the 40 side backrest, then slide the 40 side backrest cover over it, aligning it with the contours. For the 40 side backrest, push the rear hook and loop straps through the seat crevice. Remove the backing from the hook and loop straps that were passed through the crevice and attach them securely to the back of the backrest. Peel off the seal from the hook and loop fastener and press it onto the back of your backrests. Place the rear seat cover onto the seat, making sure it aligns with your car seat's shape. Flip the car seat over. Attach the buckle straps to their corresponding buckles, using the video above as a guide. For the side buckles, make sure to pass the strap through the loop before connecting. Pull the straps tight after connecting them and adjust for a snug, secure fit. To reinsert your seat, Connect the seatbelt to the seatbelt holder. This will lift the holder upright, allowing it to align with the seatbelt holder opening. Repeat this process for every seatbelt holder. Push the rear seat inward firmly until it locks back into the car's mounting points. You're all set. Your 2024 Nissan Sentra now has the sleek protection of FH Group custom fit seat covers. Enjoy the comfort and style.